everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 7th to the 11th of June 2021 on Monday. Zweli goes beyond the call of duty to get his house in order, and Dimpo tried to save what left of her future on Tuesday. Corporate resort to drastic measures to help Dimpo out, and Emma is shocked by Zweli's demand on Wednesday. Emma is shocked by what's playing out in the Digana house, and Dimpo finds out who her real friends are on Thursday. Lindiwe is trying to be the bigger person, but will she come to regret it? Copra goes through a very uncomfortable incident on Friday. The Mugwana family are the talk of Refuwe, and Zweli has to decide what kind of a man he is. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.